Villa S by Alvisi Kirimoto Partners is a striking architectural achievement, gently resting within the undulating terrain of Gallura's hilly landscape. Surrounded by the lush Mediterranean bush, the villa spans a 2-hectare plot, its form gracefully adapting to the natural slope of the land. A blend of architecture, nature, and craftsmanship defines the essence of this home, where traditional elements fuse seamlessly with contemporary touches. Upon entering the property, visitors are greeted with an organic and tactile experience that mirrors the surrounding environment, establishing a sense of calm and connection. Granite is a key material in the villa, used both inside and out to create a sense of continuity. Local artisans were entrusted with the innovative installation of the granite blocks, skillfully placing them without joints, resulting in walls that exude sophistication and solidity. The interplay between the robust stone and the expansive glass windows generates a dynamic relationship, where the weight and gravity of the walls contrast with the openness and lightness of the windows. The result is a home that celebrates both stability and transparency. The main volume of the villa, housing the living spaces, dining room, and kitchen, underwent a significant transformation. Originally conceived as 3 closed compartments, the space was redesigned into a unified form, with its structural flow dictated by 4 parallel walls running east to west. Large glass panels alternate with these walls, opening up the space to reveal breathtaking views of the central square and the terrace, which overlooks the shimmering sea. This harmonious blend of glass and stone allows light to pour in, erasing the boundaries between indoors and out. One of the most striking features of Villa South is its central square, reminiscent of a traditional village piazza. At the highest point of the lot, a winding staircase made of yellow San Giacomo granite leads to this gathering place, where life unfolds in leisurely rhythm. The square is a place of connection, surrounded by the 3 primary volumes of the villa, each set at different elevations. 3 verdant arms of Mediterranean greenery embrace the square, while a stately carob tree stands proudly in the center, offering shade and a sense of timeless serenity. The remaining 2 volumes of the villa house the private bedrooms and utility spaces. Designed with greater intimacy in mind, these structures are positioned away from the central square, their openings oriented toward private gardens. The entrances are recessed from the facades, shielded by overhanging roofs and metal pergolas, enhancing privacy and tranquility. Inside, the use of warm materials like Irako wood and lime plaster creates a sense of coziness, while the master bedroom distinguishes itself with expansive glass corners, offering panoramic views of both the sea and garden. In blending tradition with modern technology, The design of the villa's ceilings is another noteworthy feature. The 4-pitch wooden ceilings are supported by Irako wood beams, their central and lateral joints resolved with metal elements, a nod to both craftsmanship and innovation. These ceilings not only enhance the aesthetic but also improve the acoustic performance of the interiors. Outside, traditional tiled roofs have been meticulously restored, preserving the charm of the original structures. The villa's terrace is a space for relaxation and connection, framed by curved granite walls of varying heights to maximize views of the surrounding landscape. A custom-designed outdoor kitchen, complete with a wood-burning oven, encourages alfresco dining, with the sea breeze offering natural comfort. Here, architecture and nature intertwine, as the terrace serves as an intermediary space, effortlessly linking the main living areas to the wider landscape. Finally, the villa's outdoor spaces offer the perfect balance between socialization and solitude. Meandering paths lead from the central square to the swimming pools, one of which is an infinity pool that seems to merge with the horizon, while the other features a hydromassage area designed in the shape of a flower. Native Mediterranean plants bloom year-round, ensuring that the garden remains vibrant throughout the seasons. Villa S is more than just a home. It is a living entity, deeply rooted in the landscape, creating a dialogue between architecture and nature that feels organic and harmonious. The project is a testament to Alvisi Kirimoto's ability to honor tradition while embracing contemporary design, resulting in a villa that is both timeless and surprising.